So recently I've been working on a 2D platformer game. For that I added 2D cube and 2D ground, and I added rigid body to my cube and added some code so the cube could have some movement. The cube is now following the direction of the mouse, so you're gonna aim for the specific direction and cube is going to be thrown and jump to on that direction. So after that I added camera movement and I assigned my main player, so the camera can follow the main player very smoothly, as you can see. So everything was pretty nice. So then I added side walls left right so the cube doesn't fall off the ground. So after that I used line renderer, and so I could have this aiming line, so when you are aiming for the specific direction, so you could have that line. So you could see that looking pretty nice, and I have added some color gradient, so I could have this nice fading effect on that line. And after that I added platforms to my game, so you're gonna aim for the specific platform and you gotta jump over there. So everything was looking pretty nice. After that I added some sound effects, so I used this rope stretching effect for this aiming, and for jumping I use this whoosh sound, and for the landing I use this simple landing effect sound. Then I added a background image so the gameplay feels more immersive and more playable, and as you can see that after adding the background, so my game is now feeling very good. After that I added some particle effects, so when the cube lands, so it gives this dust effects. As you can see, I was giving this game more feeling and feeling more lively and more immersive. So after that I try to add juicy effects, that stretch and squash effect to my cube. So my cube stretches when it is in air, and when it lands, so it squash a bit, as you can see that. So I use just minor values so my cube doesn't stretch and squash too much. So let me know how you feel and how you think about this game.